Good morning guys. So today is nice car. Today is Friday guys. So we sleep early and we wake up at 11 p.m. and now we are hungry, so we're going to Zarub restaurant near Ajivera Hotel. See, so the restaurant is only over there guys, so it's only walking distance at the hotel. This is the for the bus. Yes, and if you can see, there is some shops here. This is Dubai in nighttime guys. So we are hungry, we need to eat some food. The salon.